Do you ever find yourself getting stuck in the quicksand of endless why questions with your kids? You know, why do I have to be home at 10 o'clock? Why can't I sleep over at Rachel's house? Eric's parents don't make him do this. Why do I have to? You can go on until you find yourself getting worn down, frustrated, and maybe in need of a stiff drink. Sometimes you just give in because you're tired of arguing, and other times maybe things escalate until voices are raised and everybody's upset. When you feel like the conversation is spiraling out of control, here's what to say to calmly and gracefully get out of this unpleasant debate. Are you ready? You might want to grab a pen and paper. It goes like this. No. No is a complete sentence. Now let me be clear. This doesn't mean that you never offer an explanation for your decisions. It doesn't mean you don't really hear your kids out. It's actually really important that you listen to them and demonstrate that you understand their point of view. They need to know that they're being heard and that they can safely voice their frustrations and opinions. But after you've explained where you're coming from and the fact that he can't stay over at his friend's house Saturday night because there won't be any adults in the house, and that you understand how bad he really wants to, but that your answer is still no, and then he still asked you 6 ways to Sunday why not, then you say this: no. You don't want to get drawn into an argument where you're constantly justifying your rules. It's an argument you can't win because emotions will be flying high, but also because there's always another why question that you have to answer. Saying no is how you put it to an end. It doesn't require a raised voice, it isn't punitive, it can actually be very kind and firm. And when you say it in a calm and firm way, it's your off-ramp to get out of that debate that's not going to work in your favor. So remember, when you feel like you're getting pulled into a barrage of why questions with no end in sight, no is a complete sentence.